Ever wondered if IPTV works seamlessly on your iPhone? Let's dive right in and find out. IPTV, the popular choice for cable cutters, might just turn your smartphone into an entertainment hub. Before we proceed, grab this. Check out 2TV.store, a top-notch IPTV provider. Now, let's get started. First things first. How do you set up IPTV on an iPhone? We'll break it down for you. Open the App Store, type IPTV, and download a recommended app. See how simple this step is. Once installed, enter credentials from 2TV.store's service. Watch how the magic unfolds effortlessly. Voila! Browse channels seamlessly. Access US, UK streams like a TV Pro anytime, anywhere. But does the user experience compare to a full-screen device? Follow our test results to see. Network speed crucial for quality. Testing in different locations opens eye to performance spectrum. Glitches may occur, but 2TV.store's responsive support team springs into action efficiently every time. Picture quality comparison. Exceptional clarity is our top pick. Understand why it's a huge plus. Battery usage question looms, yet surprisingly it's optimized. Proven through real-life battery tests. Our favorite part. Exclusive 2TV.store features make their mark, exploring advantages and hidden gems. In conclusion, if you adore mobile flexibility, iPhone IPTV could be your next option to embrace. Final thoughts. Transform your iPhone into a portable TV. Discover the entertainment universe effortlessly. Visit 2TV.store today. Get started on your mobile streaming adventure. You won't believe the simplicity,